Once you have done the analysis that you wanted to do, you might also want to export the movie itself. For that, you have two options. The first one, top right here, is just to export a frame. So if I go on a frame, a random frame, 69, and I click on here, that means I will export just this image. So it tells you in the name of the file that it's frame 69, and you can either export it as bitmap, JPEG, or PNG. It's just a shortcut to have one image exported directly. If you want a full export, it's the icon right next to that, top right. If I click on that, I can export either the full movie or just a subsequence of that movie. For the subsequence, either you know already the frames you want to have and you can enter them manually here, or you can use the sliders, and by moving this window, if I move the sliders, the movie plays at the same time so that you know when to start and stop on the movie for your export. If you want just one image, you can select a single frame here, which will be the same as what we just saw, but you will have more options for formats. So the previous one is really a shortcut to have a bitmap, JPEG, or PNG for one frame. So here, once you have decided what part you wanted to export, the full movie, a part of the movie, or just one frame, you choose the format. You have two types here, save what you see or save data. In save what you see, this is really about being able to put the movie into a presentation. So you have AVI, MPEG, MP4, and the series of images, bitmap, JPEG, or PNG. If you want to save the data and actually do some analysis on it with other software such as ImageJ or MATLAB, you have here, for instance, TIFF that you can use. You also have MKT. MKT is the format we use for our movies. And the reason it is there is just in case you want to do some analysis with IC Viewer, but on just a small subsequence of the movie you have. Once you have saved the format that you wanted to have, you can just export the movie, and it will ask you where to do it. It will tell you what frames you are exporting and what format you have.